225, 2024. So what are we looking at here? Chriso. What's the shade tree doing? Not much. Okay, here's what we did. We suspect that the bouncer shaft is 180 degrees out. So what we did was we turned the crank a little bit past top dead center. Okay, that puts my timing mark about 3 teeth ahead of the timing, okay? So all I've done is advance the cam wheel and the crankshaft about 3 teeth. Actually, 1, 2. It's about 2.5 teeth. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take that timing belt off, okay? I've already got my tensioner loose. Matter of fact, let's just slip it right off there. See those little painted marks down there at the bottom? I'm going to turn the cam halfway around, and I'm going to try to put this belt on that white spot. Alright, so I'm basically going to rotate the cam 180 degrees. Here we go. It's hard to see if I'm in there or not. Kind of looks close. Trying to make it as fast as we can. Okay, we're loose. We're going to hold that belt all the way. See, my cam sprung back. I'm going to really try. Get that on now. Rotator. Didn't hit no valves. Didn't hit no valves. You're like, well, that's real cool, Chris. What did you just do? Well, hopefully what I just did was turn my bouncer shafts, and I ain't turned the bouncer shafts yet because the bouncer shafts are on the crankshaft. What I did was take the cam, turn it 180 degrees out, okay? Now, when I roll back around on my top dead mark right here, that down here at the bottom, open my marks line up. If they don't, well, we will adjust the timing from there. Just basically like turn the cam 180 degrees. Now we're going to spin that timing mark back up to top dead center, which means we're going to rotate the crankshaft to the timing mark. Of course, the crankshaft's 3/4 inch, not 18 millimeter. Okay. And we are off. Like a notch or so. So I'll loosen that back up. I'm going to move my timing mark to this mark right here, because I got me sitting at top dead center on the bottom. Now, the reason that worked and that didn't hit the valves is because I only moved the crank where it moved the pistons down probably about 1/2 inch. Just a couple of teeth. Drop that piston down just a little bit, get it clear of the valves. And that's on every cylinder. Okay? And then you can turn the cam on top without interfering with the pistons. It's pretty simple. But we got the top dead center mark. We're going to verify. I'm going to drop it back down. Try to keep this video short. But that is the way I'm going to check my balancer shafts. And I pray that they were put in correctly and not just had a chain thrown in there and you'll never figure out where the balancer shaft belongs, because it's never going to line up. But I'm assuming the balancer shaft is in there like it's supposed to be. The chain's in there right. And then it's just 180 degrees out. Kind of like flipping the distributor. 180 degrees. And we'll see if this car quits shaking. God bless from the 405.